Hey everybody, this is Alex Merced from alexmercedcoder.com, and in this video what I'm going to do is, this is going to be the first in a series of videos where I'm going to build a React project. I'm going to pull from some API, I don't know which API yet. We'll figure that out together. I want you guys to watch me go through this whole process of reading the documentation, setting it up. So in this video we're just going to set up the boilerplate React project. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the terminal. And I'm going to use my create react basic template. So mpx create react basic, and we'll call this react proj. Okay. And I will make the folder. So there it is, react proj. So now I'm going to cd into the folder, react proj, and I'm going to get rid of the Git repository that's in there. So sudo git rm -r, not sudo git, just sudo rm-r .git. Okay, that gets rid of the folder, the Git repository that's in there, because again, create react basic clones a repo, so you want to get rid of that Git repository. Then I'm going to do an npm install to install all the dependencies. So that'll install. So this is where we'll be working out of. So I'm gonna let that finish, and then I'll reopen VS Code in that folder. So open folder, and let's go over here. Where do I have this folder? React. Actually, I do think I have that in that GA folder. So GA 831 React proj. There we go. So now we're open up to this project. So what I'm going to do, open up the terminal. Always like to deploy my project from the get-go, so that way that part is done. So I'm going to do a git init, create a new Git repository, git add dot. You can hear my bird who's floating up above me. Git add dot, git commit -m, first commit. Okay, what I'm going to do on this one, let's go deploy it to GitHub, or push it up to GitHub. So new. There's going to be an app with a React, and we're going to pull from a third-party API, which we haven't decided which one yet. Okay. So I create the repository. I'm going to copy this, Control C, and paste. Git remote -v, just to double check. Yep, that's all connected right. Then git push origin master. Make sure that I got received there. Good. So that's there. Now let's go connect that to Netlify. So it's deployed. So new site from GitHub. And it's going to be React. It's loading. I have a lot of React projects, so I should have probably just done, here we go, React API project. Connect that one. The build command is npm run build. And the folder it's going to build into is build. So that's that. Deploy site. Okay, and then that should be deployed in a moment, and we should get a page with a blue hello world. That's how we'll know that this deployed successfully. And then we'll be set up, and then we'll start building out our project. Well, the next video will be us finding which API we'll use. So let's just wait for this to change. Actually, let's just watch the deploy in progress. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Let's go back here. Deploy. Let's go back. Let's go here. Deploying your site. There we go. Let's watch it deploy. It's doing the thing. Still going. It's going. Site is live. Okay, so that's done. So now I should be able to go to preview deploy. And there you go. Hello world. I'm going to change the site name. So that should be in site name, identity, heading settings. Go back to overview. Domain settings. Here we go. Add custom domain. Nah, not right now. It was site settings is really what I'm looking for. Here we go. Change site name. So we'll call this React API project. Is that name taken? Good. Nope. Okay, so that's this first video. I'll see you guys in the next video. We'll explore which API we're going to use for this project.